Imagine a piece of metal that feels lighter than wood, looks like a sponge, and is 90% made of air. Crazy, right? This is aluminum foam, one of the most futuristic materials you've probably never heard of. But how can metal be mostly air? How is it made? And why are scientists calling it a material of the future? Let's break it down, guys. Before deep dive, we need your support. Please like and subscribe us. If you are looking for aluminum foam, you can purchase it from our official website. Link is given in the description section. So, what is aluminum foam? Aluminum foam is exactly what it sounds like. Aluminum that's been turned into a sponge-like structure full of tiny air pockets. About 90% of its volume is just air, and only 10% is actual metal. This unique structure makes it extremely lightweight, but still surprisingly strong. It's like having the toughness of aluminum combined with the softness and shock absorption of foam. You could call it a metal sponge with superpowers. How it's made? So, how do you even make a metal foam? Well, there are a few different methods. One way is powder metallurgy, where aluminum powder is mixed with a foaming agent, then heated until the metal softens and tiny gas bubbles expand inside. Another method is to inject gas directly into molten aluminum, almost like making a metallic cappuccino. The end result? Solid aluminum, but filled with evenly spread pores, kind of like how bread rises with bubbles inside. Except here, instead of yeast, we're working with molten metal. What are the properties of this fantastic material? Now here's where it gets exciting. Despite being mostly air, aluminum foam has some insane properties. Lightweight test. This block looks like metal, but compared to solid aluminum, it's feather-light. Strength test. Hit it with a hammer, and it absorbs the impact instead of shattering. Sound test. It naturally dampens sound, making it perfect for noise reduction. Heat resistance. It's fire-resistant and won't melt easily, a big deal for safety applications. It's almost like aluminum foam shouldn't exist, but it does, and it's incredible. Let's explore some real-world applications of aluminum foam. So, where could this strange material actually be used? In automobiles. Absorbs crash impact, makes cars lighter, improves fuel efficiency. In aerospace. Lightweight panels for aircraft and spacecraft. In construction. Fireproof, soundproof walls, and lightweight structures. In medical field. Porous implants for bone replacement, since it mimics bone structure. In energy sector. Used in heat exchangers, filters, and even fuel cells. In other words, aluminum foam could show up in your car, your home, your hospital, and even your next flight to space. Everything is good, so what are the challenges? But here's the catch. If aluminum foam is so amazing, why isn't it everywhere already? The answer is simple: cost and production challenges. It's still expensive to make, and scaling it up for mass use isn't easy. But as researchers improve the process and bring costs down, aluminum foam could go from a lab curiosity to an everyday material. Let's check out Future of Aluminum Foam. Imagine cars that are half the weight but twice as safe. Airplanes that burn less fuel, and skyscrapers that are fireproof and soundproof. That's the future aluminum foam could help build. It's not science fiction. It's science, happening right now. So next time someone asks, what kind of metal is 90% air? You'll know the answer. Aluminum foam, the weird, futuristic sponge metal that could change the world. Would you trust a car or a plane made with this material? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more science stories, and share this with someone who loves futuristic tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.